Today, on May 6th, we're diving into the frothy world of homebrewing as we celebrate National Homebrew Day. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we uncover the roots of this flavorful day, explore the fascinating history of brewing, and discover how you can unleash your inner brewmaster. In 1988, the American Homebrewers Association decided it was time to shine a spotlight on the age-old craft of homebrewing and established National Homebrew Day, celebrated annually on the first Saturday in May. This day has become a global sensation that unites brewing enthusiasts from every corner of the world, all eager to share their passion and creativity. The art of homebrewing has been brewing up a storm for thousands of years, with ancient civilizations like the Sumerians, Egyptians, and Chinese laying the foundation for the modern-day creative adventures of brewing enthusiasts. These early brewers used locally available ingredients such as barley, millet, and hops to create their signature beers. Today, homebrewers blend science and imagination as they experiment with diverse ingredients, styles, and techniques to concoct a tantalizing array of flavors and aromas in their beers. From traditional ales and lagers to experimental brews with unconventional ingredients, homebrewing has become a limitless playground for beer enthusiasts. The pinnacle of National Homebrew Day is the Big Brew, a simultaneous brewing event where homebrewers worldwide gather to create and share their passion for the craft. The American Homebrewers Association provides recipes for participants, encouraging everyone to brew the same beer and later compare their unique twists on the shared concoction. If the bubbling world of homebrewing has piqued your interest, National Homebrew Day is the perfect time to dive in and embark on your brewing journey. Connect with fellow homebrewers in your area, join online forums, and soak up tips, tricks, and recipes to kickstart your brewing adventure. As you experiment with different styles and flavors, you'll uncover the joy of crafting your perfect beer. The homebrewing community is a welcoming and collaborative space, with experienced brewers eager to help newcomers find their footing. As you delve deeper into the world of brewing, you will forge lasting friendships with like-minded enthusiasts, bonding over your shared passion for the craft and the tantalizing flavors you create. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration of National Homebrew Day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating stories. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time, cheers to brewing up some unforgettable memories.